Hi, my name is Dr. Kayla and I'm with Balance Within Physical Therapy. Do you play pickleball or tennis and feel like it's hard to get your serve just right because you feel tight or there's a pinch or a twinge at a certain point in your range of motion? Or maybe you're trying to reach in the cabinet, reach for a glass, and you just feel like you just can't get your arm up there. Well, today I want to talk about one muscle. Now, there are many different things that could be causing these symptoms or limited range of motion, but I want to talk about just one muscle that tends to be tight on a lot of individuals and could be limiting your mobility overhead, as well as leading to some pinching and irritation in your shoulder. There's one muscle called your lats, your latisimus major, and it can really tighten up and restrict your ability to reach overhead. And I want to show you one test to see if maybe your lats are too tight. For that, what you can do is you can lay down with your legs straight in front of you. And if you bring your arms overhead, see how far they go. If you try to really reach back down, does your back arch off the floor? If you have to arch your back to get your hands on the floor, that is a sign that your lats might be too tight and restricting your ability to reach overhead. The lats go from your lower back, come all the way up and insert in your shoulder. So they can really bind down, and when they're tight, limit your ability to reach up. So if that test is positive on you, one idea or technique to help loosen that muscle involves a foam roll. Say it's this lat that needs some work, this side of the lat. What you can do is you can position the foam roll on your side. You're laying on it, kind of along the shoulder blade area, and you just kind of find the spot that's the most uncomfortable, but feels good, feels like it needs it. And you stay in that position. You can rock forward or back slightly to get at it, and you hold that spot, that position for 1 to 2 minutes, as long as it's comfortable. If it's too much, I would decrease the time or back off that spot slightly and find a spot above or below it. You should be able to relax into it and feel the muscle just kind of melting or releasing, like you're kind of pulling taffy. It might be a little bit uncomfortable because of the pressure, and if it is too much, you can try a softer surface, like maybe try a rolled up yoga mat or a nice squishy ball, and position it under that shoulder blade area, that side of the body, and just hang out there for 1 to 2 minutes, as long as it's tolerable. Now, there are dozens of more muscles and factors in why you might not be able to reach overhead or feel like you're getting a pain or a twinge in the shoulder with movement. And this is just one stretch. Like I said, there are so many other things that could be at play. And if this stretch helps, that's great. But if you need more, I highly recommend talking with one of our experts. Here at Balance Within, we love working with patients with shoulder pain and dysfunction. We look at the whole body, the whole picture. As you can see, the lat involves the lower back all the way up the shoulder. So there's so much more than just a shoulder injury involved. There are different pieces of the puzzle. And we combine myofascial release, our knowledge in orthopedics, and other great specialty trainings to really get at the root cause of your symptoms, to make sure you can play pickleball, tennis, golf, or just reach in the cabinet, the fridge, and get that glass of milk or the glass of water or maybe a snack without pain. We offer 4 consultations every month just for shoulder specific injury or pain, and these go so fast. So I recommend contacting us quickly to get signed up for your session this month. And these sessions are great for talking with one of our experts to see your story and get a little bit more idea of what your specific body imbalances are that could be causing you pain or difficulty with your motion. For more information, please visit www.balancewithinpt.com. And just know that we are here for you, and we are always happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.